Hi, in this video, I'm going to share with you how I created this tools, right? You can see that the answer is A, it got to be wrong. When it's C, it's still wrong, but when it gets the right one, it will show the word correct, right? So how does that happen? So first, I'm going to activate the developer tab so that I can show the options buttons here, which is right here. But first, I want to show the developer tab. To do that, you right click on the ribbon, choose customize the ribbon, and right here there is this options tab, right? Check on that developer tab, click OK, it will show the developer tab. And the next thing is that we're going to use that to create the option tab. So I'm going to insert this, and I'm going to use the insert. I use the buttons here, and I choose the option buttons, option shape. Okay, so I'm going to have to delete the wording. I don't need that. So that's about it, right? So then I can right click on the options, and I'm just going to adjust it rightly. So I have one here. So okay. So kind of like I have one of this item here. Then I will just copy this, and then I paste it. I'll paste here, and now I right click on one of the option tab, option buttons, and I choose the format control. And I come to the control tab, and I go for the cell link. So I'm going to choose a place to choose, right? So I'm going to use E5, click OK. And now watch this. See? The user click on this, it's got 1, you've got 2, right? So I'm going to just duplicate this again, control, select the option buttons, and then paste it right here, paste it right here, and you can see that. Now we need to know which is the right answers, right? So assuming that the right answer is on the B, right? So which is it, right? So then we need to know that. But I want to show when you use a click on this, it will show A. When I just click on this, it show B, right? So how to do that? We will make use of the choose function. So I click on this cell here, so E, right? Let's just go here again one more time. I can't click on that cell, but you can type it E5. So E5 referring to this cell, and then there's only 4 options to choose, so I can just go ahead with this. Choose, right? So if it's 2, it will give me a B. See? If it's just 1, it give me A. And that's what it means, right? If it's 1, it give me the A. If it's 2, it give me B. Now if I choose this item, it shows 3, and it will give me C. Okay, great. So now I need to decide which one is my correct answer. And that we use the if function. We're going to evaluate this item or even this item, right? So we know that the answer is B. So we want to tell the users that if this value is B, then it will be correct. And if it's wrong, if it's not, it will wrong. It will show the word wrong. So you can see that C is wrong, and this is B, this is correct, and that is how easy we can make use of the functions here, right? So this is pretty cool tools, right? That help you to answer that as well, right? So that's correct. So this is a cell here. So okay, I hope you learned something, right? So first of all, let's just do a recap. What you just learned is the developer tab, and you use the options tab, options buttons, right? And then put here, click OK, duplicate a few of them, and then right click on that, and then choose format control, and use a link cell, link to the cell here, and from there we use a choose functions to display the alphabets, the correct options, right? Instead of the numbers, we could choose that. And beside here, we enter the if functions to show the user which one is the correct one, right? And thank you for watching.